It's based on the PISA. It says that Indonesia is at level 1, while other countries are level 3.
Share with you two. There are many, but these are the two that we have found to surface again and again in the many lesson studies that we have conducted. Mathematics lesson can be quite interesting because the entire structure is different to what we used to see or even do. Let me maybe demonstrate what I mean by different using an example of a problem. Can I invite 6 teachers from Pahoa School to help me with this problem? So these are my colleagues from Pahoa School in Indonesia, and they will help me with this problem. Dr. Yeap, I wasted 25 years of my life as a teacher. The way I taught mathematics to my students, I think I need to go and look for them and say sorry. It's like, oh my goodness, you mean mathematics lesson is like that? I didn't know. I'm such an experienced teacher, teaching for 25 years. Model of teacher change. Category of people we found are people who ignore of teachers. They attempt to do what they claim is good, but they can do it in the lessons they have seen. Integrate. Teachers in the integrate level, they are able to apply what they saw in the research lessons to their own lessons.
As a final say, I hope this 3-day conference is fruitful and has become an enjoyable experience. I hope we cross paths again in the future for any collaboration or sharing session.
I feel privileged and honored to invite you to join us at the 2023 WALS International Conference. I am excited to invite you to join and share your experience, your lesson studies, and the cultural program we are going to present to you.